Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Henrietta. Today we're going to be doing a vlog, clean with me video. I have not really tried my hands on this type of videos, and so I really don't know how this one is going to turn out. I just hope it turns out really good. I want to vlog more. I've said it before, I really want to get into vlogging, but for some weird reasons, every time I pick up my phone to vlog, I just talk myself out of it. So I've decided that I'm going to step out of my comfort zone. I'm going to do this more. This is something that I like. This is something I feel like on the long run I would enjoy. But of course I need to do it often. I need to practice more. I need to get better. And so yeah, this is me stepping out of my comfort zone. And so I'm going to be doing a deep clean in my room today. I wanted to come show you guys. Let me know if you enjoy this content, or if you're enjoying this video, and let me know if this is something you want to be seeing more of on this channel. I'm not talking about just cleaning my room, but I mean like doing stuff around the house, just vlogging, things that I do around the house, and showing you guys, just carrying you guys along my day pretty much. Let me know if this is something you guys would like to see more on this channel. And you know what, before we start the video, I'm just going to show you guys my room, show you guys what we're working with, so that by the time we're done, or by the time I am done, you guys are watching, I'm the one cleaning. By the time I'm done, then I will come back and show you guys. But before I show you guys, I just want to say that this is not my handiwork. When you live with 3 kids, your room is always going to be a mess. So Jasmine has a habit of constantly pulling down shoes from the shelf, pulling out clothes from the laundry basket. She just stays making a mess. So yeah, my room is a mess right now, but yeah, we're going to fix that. So let's get to it. Okay, so guys, this is what we're working with. So when you enter the room, so let me enter the room from outside. Okay, so you walk into the room, ta-da! And this is my wardrobe. Look at how messy that looks. The shoe rack, look at Jasmine. This is all Jasmine. And then we have a couch here. My curtain fell off. The bed. Laundry baskets. Your girl stays doing this all the time. And this is Toby's wardrobe. We also have a mirror here that's filthy, but yeah, we're gonna clean all of that, and we're gonna fix this place up. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like once I'm done cleaning. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and you know what, just stay tuned for more fun and interesting videos.
Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Blue dude, bad mood, sorta witty and jaded, but let's not talk about you. Your coyote song on a rerun. Are you hound dog tired, singing all night long? Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not since I ran into you. Do you need a picture? Well, I get so. It's hard to take one when your iPhone's full.
So thank you guys for cleaning with me. The room is all clean. Yay! But you know the funny thing is I give this room another 5 hours, 6 hours tops, and it's going to be upside down again. But yeah, it was good to do this. I really love a clean space, but yeah, my kids won't just let me be great. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. See you on my next video. Bye.